Hi guys, today we are going to cook this delicious egg stew or sauce with just a few ingredients. So we are going to have 4 eggs and cut some onions in it, and then after that we shall just mix the eggs together. After mixing the egg, we're gonna get our pan and heat it, add little oil, and then add our egg mixture. Mix the egg together and cook it until it is ready. Be sure that you separate it into small pieces while it's cooking. Cook it until it is slightly brownish. Now you can see that we are going to put our egg aside in a separate plate. So we shall use our pan again and add some cooking oil or vegetable oil. Add some onions. Let the onions cook. Then add tomatoes. Mix it together. Cover it and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After it has cooked, you can see now it's mixed up and it's all smashed. I'll add half a glass of water. Mix it together. Here I'll add some spices, that is black pepper and curry. If you have any other spices, be sure you add it at this point. I'll mix it together and then add our egg that we set aside and put it together in the mixture. And after that, I'll cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes and then mix it together again. I'll add some salt since I tasted and the salt wasn't enough. Mix it again together, let it cook for about 3 minutes. And then your stew is now ready to serve. As you can see, it's now ready. So from here you can serve it. This just requires simple ingredients. All you need is just eggs, tomatoes, and onions. And once you serve it, you can eat it with your favorite food. In my case, I'm eating it with Carlo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.